What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Appreciate you being here. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Today we are going to get into SharePoint list templates, which is something that I have started to more heavily lean on and use as just a starting point for what I used to use custom lists for. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are in Microsoft SharePoint, and I am in our demo environment for sales and marketing, but we're going to go over list creation and templated lists within SharePoint Online. So if I go to New, click the down arrow, then that's going to give me a couple options of what it is that I can do. I can create a list, document library, page, news post, news link, plan, or an app. We're going to go into list. Now, it used to just give you a few different options like calendar, from Excel, custom list, but now you're starting to get a lot more options in here that are really cool starting points and allow for more templated information, both from column formatting and from column creation, which I'll get into in just a moment. So we'll go through a few of these. I'm going to do a work progress tracker. This is one that I've been using a lot lately. So if we click on work progress tracker, it's going to give you a quick preview of what it will look like. And it will carry these formatting as well. So we see planning is gray and it has a calendar, research with the people, design with a thumb up, engineering with the arrows. Pretty cool. And it gives us the priority, start and end date, assign to, and then a notes column. So that if you wanted that and you liked that, you can go ahead and click use template and it'll create it, which I will do in just a moment, but I'm going to run through some of the other ones that we have here. Here we have issue tracker. And so you have the issue description, priority status, assigned to, date reported, days old, issue source, images, associated files, and then issue logged by. This would be a really good one if you were creating some sort of a Power App that you wanted to put into your client's environment or in your own environment to track bugs, support tickets, issues, etc., change requests, and that way you can keep track of them and you don't have to go through creating the list, so to speak, because it's already created for you, so you just have to create the Power App around it. Pretty cool. Then there's employee onboarding. This is a list that goes over some of the additional information that you might want to capture, maybe who their mentor is, relevant links. They have offer letter here, relevant files. It's a way to track employee onboarding. Again, there is an onboarding Power App we went over in another video. Event itinerary. You can go through these some on your own, but asset manager is pretty cool. So we're going to get into, remember, recruitment tracking, travel logs, that's pretty cool. Work progress tracker, that's the one we're ultimately going to open. And then there's the content scheduler. So we're going to click on work progress tracker and click use template. Now it does give you the name work progress tracker, but if we wanted to change that, we simply delete it out and we'll say work progress. Probably could have just deleted the last word there. And then we could say, let's just say information, right? I could have called it whatever I wanted. Description, this is a description. Now, you can click show in site navigation. That'll show on the left pane. I usually like to leave that unchecked until I'm done building something out, but if you wanted to, you can simply leave that checked. I'll go ahead and hit create. Now it has created the list. I have all my categories here created, which is amazing. I don't have to go through and really plan these out. Now I can go in and change some of these. I can go into column settings and hit edit. Now you'll notice the progress, it's already color formatted to not started, in progress, completed, blocked, and behind. That's fantastic. It does give you a default value, gives you all kinds of things, even a description, current state of the work item. Pretty cool. If you wanted to add an additional choice, you could just say backlogged, right? Let's say that, backlogged. And then we can change that to, let's do gray. And then there you go. Now we saved. Now we've added it. So instead of having to create a new field with multiple choices and really think it through, we get this cheat code, so to speak, where we can just edit the information that we already have. And then when we want to create something out, the fields and form is already created. We simply say whatever it is. We'll say whatever it is. This is it. Category. We could say it's design. Progress is in progress. Priority is high. We have the date pickers already here. Assigned to, it's already within the gal. Let's see who's in my, there's Adele. Notes. This is a note. Any attachments if I want, and now I hit save. And now look, I already have the conditional formatting assigned, so I don't have to do that, so it saves me on code as well. How about that? Low code, no code to creation of a work progress tracker list that is basically push button ready. And then you just add a little bit of any type of customization that you want. So that's how you create it, and that's how you create lists using templates. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you guys like podcasts, we got one of those too. Go to innovaripodcast.com. You can check out our podcast where we interview some cool people, entrepreneurs, and members of the tech industry to give some tips and tricks. So definitely check that out. If there are any types of videos that you want to be seen, go ahead and hit those in the comments below, and I will make sure I get to them. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. See you.